Hello, and thank you for joining us for another HRS training video. Today we are going to cover adding IR network interfaces and RS-232 network interfaces. So to begin, we'll simply go on the left side of our screen here and click on the IR network interfaces. You'll see it gives you, again, two columns, so the names and then protocol settings. On the top here, it'll have a name, so we can just list IR. And then you'll select from the drop-down what type of IR interface. So right now in our system, we have it built and designed to work with the global caches for their interface. You can always add your own custom interfaces, and we'll go into that later as well too. So let's add just an IP to IR device. Click the green plus. You'll see it gives you your new device, which you can change the name again if you'd like. And you can also edit the IP address and the port number for that device. For doing a serial device is very similar. You'll come up here, type in the device name, and from the drop-down you'll notice we have global cache, KISS box, and we also have a generic TCP interface as well listed for this one. Again, pick whichever one you're using. For today's purpose, we're just going to use the global cache. Click the plus, you'll see it pop up here, the IP address and then port number. For this one, for global cache, the default port number is 4999. Once you have these added, you can click on your devices, and let's add a device here. We'll call this our TV. And we're going to use an IR command set. So we'll go over here to displays, and let's just pick the LG. You'll notice it still gives you an option here to enter an IP address and port number. However, we're going to use the interface. So you'll check the box on the top, select from the drop down which one. We're going to pick the IR, and then on this particular one there's 3 different ports on it. You would just select whichever one you're planning to use. Next, we can add another device, and let's just call this a matrix, and we'll pick a matrix from our system here. And you'll notice when you pick a matrix, if the command set is a default RS-232 command set, it'll give you information for the COM port, baud rate, parity, things of that nature. You won't need to enter any of that information. That part all must be configured on the network interface itself. So for this one, since we're using serial, we'll just check the box and pick serial, and you'll notice all those options went away. Once you have everything set up and configured the way you'd like, simply click the apply all, and it'll take all of your changes. If we were to go up here to our on button, for example, let's change the device to the TV, and the command you'll see is now all the different commands, which are the IR strings. So it has them right here. Some of them will let you edit them depending on the command set. Others will not let you edit those commands. There is an option that we will cover more in depth under the command sets to add a custom IR command set as well. To add a button here for the matrix, we can just right click, add a button. If we click the add and pick matrix, you'll see all the commands are still listed in here the same. We would just enter the command. Our system is smart enough to know that we are sending the commands via a TCP packet to an interface, which will then convert it to the RS-232, so it sets it in the correct format for us. Once you have everything set up the way you like, you'd simply click apply all. You can go to your end user page here, which is just the IP address :9008 for system 8, and refresh it, and all of your changes will then show. Your new commands will be in there for you. So that covers adding a network interface to our system. If you have any other questions, please let us know, and thank you.